Question number 6. A test for a disease gives a correct positive result with a probability of 0.9 when the disease is present, but gives an incorrect positive result with the probability of 0.1 when the disease is not present. If 10% of the population has the disease and Rohini tests positive, then what is the probability that Rohini has the disease? Now let us suppose that D represents that the disease is present. And ND represents that the disease is not present. And T plus represents that the test is positive. And T minus represents that the test is negative. Positive. Okay, so we have to find that the Rohini has disease given that the Rohini test positive. This probability we have to find. And we are given that when the disease is present, okay, it gives a positive result with the probability 0.9. Okay, so the disease is present, it is given to you, and in this case the test is positive, so this probability is given as 0.9. Okay, now again it is given that when the disease is not present, then incorrect positive result with the probability of 0.10. So we can write that probability of T plus given ND, which means the test is positive given that the disease was not present. So it is given as 0.10. Okay. Now it is given that the 10% of the population has the disease. So we can say that the probability of D, it is given as 0.10. So probability of non-disease, it will be equal to 1 minus 0.10. So it is 0.9. Now from the Bayes theorem we can write that the probability of D given T plus, it will be equal to probability of T plus given D into probability of D divided by probability of T plus. Now by using the law of total probability, we can write that the probability of T plus, it will be equal to probability of T plus given D into probability of D plus probability of T plus given ND into probability of ND. So now we have to put all the values. Hence the probability of D given T plus, it will be equal to 1 by 2 or 0.5.